is something that's going to happen now.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge Urban Affairs, Sngau Bhalang Dhar, will conduct inspection of all smart city projects by next week. The minister told media persons that all projects have different timelines and are well within the stipulated time limit. He informed that the department had already identified a few places in the city for taking up new projects under the Smart City project. The Urban Affairs Department is planning to have car parks which can accommodate 2,000 to 3,000 cars. Meanwhile, Sngau Bhalang Dhar, who is also in charge of Home Prison, said the government is yet to decide on the new location of the central jail. Dhar said that earlier the central jail was proposed to be constructed at the New Shillong township.
Last week I have identified few places within the city itself. Another 3,000-4,000 car parks. So that land does not belong to urban. So I'm yet to negotiate with the other department in Hanawar, urban area. And if the thing is okay, I'm telling you, really push for the urban thing. Agreement has been done. We will propose them some new land. So the new location we are yet to decide as of now.
Not national.
We plan there, but somebody advised us maybe if you get some alternative locations.
Governor of Meghalaya, Fagu Chauhan,